Yo, what's up? It's your boy Papa Beast back at it with a new video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be focusing on the top 5 tips that you should actually consider for you to become a consistent trader in 2023. Without further ado, let's begin with tip number 1. Tip number 1, guys, is basically you need to develop a trading plan. And you need to make sure that you stick to it. So what includes in the trading plan? It's basically your entry, your exit, and your management plan, and other things that you actually implement while you do your trading. So always, guys, write down, make sure that your trading plan is in order, because without a trading plan, guys, things will go bananas for you. You won't even know actually what trades you need to take. You just enter trades prematurely, or you enter trades that you're not supposed to be trading. So having a proper trading plan is actually good, because now you know that every single time you see your specific setup according to your strategy, as soon as you see your setup, you enter the trade. If you don't see a setup, don't trade, because that actually is a red flag. So having a trading plan is really important, guys. It will keep yourself in line and you won't make too many mistakes. So for an example, if you were a trendline breakout trader, always wait for that opportunity for the market to break out before even you place a trade. So don't force to actually place a trade because you want the sniper entry or you want the perfect entry. The perfect entry is what you've studied and what you've learned and what has been working out for you. So make sure that you develop your own trading plan and stick to it, guys. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is quite simple. Always keep a trading journal. Trading journal is really important because now you'll be able to identify your trading progress and understand why you're taking the specific trades. Why did you lose these trades? How many pips did you lose? How many profits do you actually gain? So this can actually give you an understanding on actually how your trades are actually going. With that, guys, it will keep you on to track, knowing how many, like, your percentage of your losses, your break evens, and your take profits on a weekly basis. So it's always also important, guys, to keep a trading journal, to keep records of your trades every single time. Don't hesitate on doing that. Don't be lazy to do that. There's apps that you can use, which probably if you guys are interested in actually knowing those specific apps to keep a trading journal, hit me down on the comments down below. That's tip number 2. So guys, before we go to tip number 3, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you actually follow. Make sure that you comment down below and share my YouTube channel to other fellow people that are actually interested in Forex trading and learn free tips and free trading strategies and everything. So please, guys, make sure, as you can see, I'm watching myself because I love myself. By the way, hit the bell notification button to get notified every single time I drop a video. So yeah, without further ado, let's go straight to tip number 3. Let's go. So yeah, guys, we're on tip number 3. So it's discipline and avoid letting emotions taking you down. So what I mean about that, guys, everything in this world requires discipline. It's either you're going to school for your schoolwork, your exams, or going to the gym, or going at work, or anything that's going to be about self-improvement for you to become a better person, or for you to reach the level that you want to reach. So financially, emotionally, spiritually, it really requires for you to be actually super disciplined and avoiding emotions play around with you, because letting emotions play around with you can also play around with your trades. So that means that because of emotions and not having discipline, you can take irrational trades that will actually make your account blow. You're gonna go full margin, go all out on a specific trade, thinking that you want to make so much money, not looking at the brighter picture and not looking at your trading plan, because you're not disciplined and you're trading with emotions, and you lose out on all of your cash, and you won't actually stick to your trading plan, because now without discipline and emotions kicking in, so you just press buy or sell just quickly because you just want to get quick cash, because of your discipline and not focusing on yourself, because looking at social media, looking at other people, how much they're making in a day, or how much money they made in 1 second, whatsoever, thinking that you want to be on that specific level, forgetting that your shoes and that person's shoes, it's not on the same path. You're not running on the same footsteps. You got your own footsteps that you need to look out for. Clean the path, take a broom, clean out your path, and walk on your lane, and don't look at other people's lane. Make sure that you stay disciplined and avoid emotions to play around with you while trading. If you woke up not in a good mood, make sure that you don't trade, guys. If you wake up in a happy mood, make sure that you trade, because most often, since you're in a good mood, you do good decisions and place in proper trades more than when you're sad. So make sure that your surrounding, your energy, your spiritual energy, your emotions, your psychological part, your health, everything is in order for you to be always good every single time you have to trade every single day. So just make sure that, guys, your discipline it's up correct, and make sure that you avoid any emotions or negative emotions that will play around with you. Tip number 4. Always keep yourself educated. Always educate yourself in the current market and what's happening, because the market always changes and it develops every single time. It doesn't stay the same or every single day or so. The market changes because of everything that happens around the world. So please make sure that you check the market structure, check if the market is actually going towards what you've planned yesterday, or the market has been going to another direction. A lot of things actually affect the market, like wars and all those type of thing, political stuff that's happening around the world. So make sure that you also look into events that are happening on a daily to check that, hey, is the market still continuing in this direction, or is it still moving to this direction, or how's it affecting the market? So it's always really important to keep yourself consistently educating yourself on what's happening on the markets. Don't close your eyes or blindfold yourself and thinking that every single time the market will move in that specific way every single day. So always learn, guys, always learn. Look out for news, watch the news, and find out what's happening around you. Yes, there's so many, like I know a lot of people don't watch news because of negative stuff, but from the negative, you can actually get a positive out of it regarding your pockets. So as you know, with Forex, good things are happening, we profit. If bad things are happening, we still profit. So always keep that in mind, that learning every single time what's happening around you, it's always a thumbs up for your trades. So we're done with tip number 4. Let's get to tip number 5. We're finally on the last tip, which is tip number 5. Hope you guys are still watching and still excited and ready to hear tip number 5. So basically tip number 5, guys, it's always be realistic to your expectations. Guys, you don't understand how important this is. It's so important to always have a realistic expectations towards your trades or your profits. People always try to chase the big sum of money. Another tip that I could say regarding that is that don't look at the profits, guys. Don't look at how much you wanna profit in this specific trade. Look at the percentage. Like I give myself a golden rule that every single trade I wanna profit not less than 10% of my initial balance. So if I got 500 Rand, I'm looking to minimum to actually profit 50 Rand. You understand that, guys? So always look at percentage wise and not profit wise, because now you must remember one thing, guys, that you are not just a trader, you're a business person. Forex is a business. So always have realistic expectations and not unrealistic expectations, because that will kill you, because you need to actually balance things out. With not having proper realistic expectations, when you have losses, you're gonna go bananas, because your losses will be super overboard and not be able to actually recover from your losses. It includes your trading strategy and how you execute your trades and how you actually started, like going back to tip number 1, what is your trading plan, or like how you want to actually recover from the losses. Everything is going hand to hand from tip number 1 to tip number 5. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell button, and you must know it's your boy Papa Beast Kruger. Away. See ya. Peace.